Hey guys, I haven't shot this revolver yet, but we got a propane can up on that hill and my dad don't think I can hit it. So I'm gonna give it a shot.
Okay.
All right.
Oh!
To the left. Got it.
Got it. Nice shooting, son.
Thank you.
Hey guys, good morning from beautiful Southern Nevada. And talking about beautiful, look at this, huh? Smith and Wesson Model 10, nickel plated, 38 special, made in 1977. My local pawn shop got this in. I looked at it, fell in love with it. There is a little bit of a story behind this, so bear with me for a minute and we'll start shooting. But let's take a close look at this while I'm talking about it. So this is a model 10-7. That means there's been 7 design changes since the original came out. And this 10-7 was only made during 1977, but look at this beauty. Nickel plated. Now, I usually don't care for nickel plated firearms, but man, I tell you what, I really do like this one. 6-round cylinder. You notice this little pin right here? That's the first thing I look at when I look at an older Smith and Wesson revolver, because Smith and Wesson stopped using that pin in 1982. So, well, I knew instantly when I seen this it was at least 40 years old. Single action pull, very light on this revolver. Double action pull, just a tad heavy, but it is very, very smooth. This one has a 4-inch barrel, and again, made in 1977, and it looks brand spanking new. Here's the ammo we're going to shoot today. Nothing fancy. Okay guys, I got my son out here, anxious to put some rounds through this because like I said, I just picked it up the other day, have not shot it yet, but man, just a beautiful revolver. So you know what? It's just time to shut up and shoot. Okay, first time shooting this beauty. Let's see what happens. Yeah! Let's try a couple rounds double action. Yeah! Whew! I sure do like this beauty. Okay, son, double action. Oh, nice. All right, let's blow something up.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, let's make it snow, huh? Why not? All right, let's see what happens. Whoa. Keep filming. knocked a tooth out. Now, let me tell you guys why I bought this. When I was a young teenager, my dad had a Smith and Wesson Model 10 nickel-plated 4-inch barrel, identical to this one. And man, for a long time I begged him to let me shoot it, and he said, someday when you're ready. Well, when I was 14 or 15, which was more than 50 years ago, he took me out. I shot his 38 and absolutely fell in love with it. And shooting that 38 for the first time just kind of led to a very successful law enforcement career. It has led to a lot of shooting competitions. I've won a lot of those. And it also allowed me to start my YouTube channel. So right now I have over 400 videos and almost 80 million views here on YouTube. And it all started from shooting a revolver identical to this one here. So, you know, when I first picked this up, man, it just brought back a flood of memories, and I just had to have it. So I'm really glad I bought it. Can you hit that green one again?
Can I?
Yeah, right at the base of it and bounce it. There you go. Just like that.
Hey!
All right.
Yeah, try it one-handed. What the heck?
Nice. Hey guys, you know, shooting this just brought back a flood of memories for me. Good memories, and I'm glad I bought it. You know, these old Smith and Wesson revolvers, they're just going to increase in value over the years. So if you come across an old one in really good shape, man, pick it up, because who knows what these are going to be worth 5 or 10 years from now. So just an excellent gun. Oh, I do have a Model 15, this beauty right here. I picked this up at the same pawn shop again earlier this year, and I will do a video on it in the future. So you know what, guys, thanks again for watching our video, and we'll see you next time. Why don't you zoom in on that happy face, son, because I'm pretty happy.
All right, I have not shot this revolver, but we got a propane can way up on that mountain there.
Up there. So yeah, guys, man, I'll tell you, I just absolutely love this revolver. This is one I'm just gonna keep forever, and one of these days I'm gonna give it to my son. So if I can find a live round here in my pocket, I will take one last round. Guys, thanks for watching our video. And I put that in the wrong cylinder hole, you mother...